friends. So decided to get out of the house for a while. Left the doggo in the trailer. He's fine, he's got everything he needs, food, water, toys, the radio's on, and it's nice and cool in there. It's warming up out here. I decided to go for a drive. Wasn't really sure where I was going, but ended up here. This is the Glamis Dunes in Glamis, California. I've been here before, but I don't think I really touched on it much. This is a pretty popular spot with ATVers. I overheard a guy mentioning that a long time ago it used to be pretty much overrun with ATVers, but they kind of regulated a little bit. I noticed you can't park along the road. So there's just these spots here, like what you'll see behind me, which is kind of like a parking lot. They can park here, unload, and stage their ATVers off, and away they go. I was at the Imperial Dunes once or twice, and I think this is a continuation. This is north of the Imperial Dunes, but it's yeah, pretty big and vast. That said, I think I'm going to put the drone up and take a look around. But yeah, this is the Glamis Dunes in Imperial County, California, I believe. And yeah, enjoy the view. Hey friends, so as you just saw, I went exploring a little bit the other day and found Glamis and put the drone up and had a little fun. It was really just good to get out and drive and put the music on loud and kind of just explore without any real agenda. I just kind of wandered. I ended up in Yuma and, you know, all the way back kind of thing. Went through the, kind of went by the Kofa Wildlife Refuge on via 95. Came back up that way. It's beautiful down there. One year I'll probably go and spend some time there. I don't know if it'll be this year or not, because I think the doggo and I are gonna start heading, you know, north-ish soon. I'm still here in Ehrenberg, camping here with friends of mine, and by the looks of things, we're all gonna move on to Lake Havasu in a little while, and then from there, I'm not even sure, don't even know yet. But aside from that, I haven't done a lot of shooting either stills or video, mainly because I've been kind of camping here. The weather's getting nicer and nicer. I've just been spending time playing ball with the dog and getting a lot of small, I guess, pieces of work for myself and for my job done that, you know, kind of procrastinated on. The stuff for me always takes second place because the job is an income. So, you know, stuff will come in, and then what I plan to do that day gets backburnered, and, you know, all of a sudden it's a week later and I didn't get to do something that I wanted to do for myself or my projects. So yeah, little things got done, like my photography page has a sign up for a newsletter, and that has garnered about 50 subscribers. So I decided it was time to send out the first newsletter, and it's been a while. If you're interested in signing up and seeing what that's about, basically you'll see pictures that I'll release there before anywhere else. There will also be some very limited, sometimes even one-off print sales promotions. I plan on, you know, trying to make my work a little bit more desirable in the collector's eye by saying, I'm only going to print 3 of these ever. Here's a shot that I'm only printing 1. And here's a guarantee that it will never be printed again, and you will have the only one, etc., etc. So I'm looking at doing more of that, and if you're interested in my photography or you like it and maybe want to purchase one down the road, you'll be able to check that out through the newsletter. So WayneStadlerPhotography.com, links are in the description. Sign up for the newsletter and you'll get whatever I send out. And it's not very often, like, put it this way. I launched that website over a year ago and I just sent out the first newsletter. So it's kind of one of those things that are going to be few and far between, but if you like my work, it'll possibly be worth it for you. And then, yeah, like other little things, just working on edits and that kind of thing, getting used to the new computer, which is awesome. So much faster than the old one. Again, another thing I got to do, I got to scrub the old one. There's a lady actually in the postal place down in Blythe. I mentioned it when I picked up the new one there. She said she might be interested in the old one, so I want to scrub it and take it in and show it to her and see what she thinks. Might even just sell it there, but we'll see. Yeah, other than that, like I said, just hanging out with the dog, hanging out with my friends, you know, doing campfires at night and taking it easy, enjoying the weather. I know back in Calgary right now it's like minus 20 something, and I'm just happy to be here. So I'll talk to you all soon, and have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye. Got spider web on me. Okay, you ready, crazy boy? You ready? You ready? It's like a rocket. Hey, did you have fun? Are you a happy boy? You're a very dusty, dirty boy. Yeah, we'll have to go for a swim later. You should have some water. Your bowl's out on the other side. Hey, you happy? Yeah. Here's a good boy. Okay, you catch your breath. We'll go for a swim later. Yeah, we will. Get you all wet. Okay. What's this one? What's that? He doesn't like going too deep yet, but he can swim. Who's a good boy? There's a wet dog. Good boy. Who's swimming? Are you twirling sticks? Huh? Are you twirling sticks? I found an old ball. He's my best friend. He's getting more and more comfortable with swimming, which is good. I like getting them wet. It's good for him, right? Yeah.
It's like working with a monkey.